Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got a quick one for you here today, and I just wanted to share this deal with you that I found. Now, as most of you know, I'm a stacker, so I look for things for the best price possible. And this right here, friends, is a really good price, but I just want to warn you, Littleton Coin Company, they do charge a lot for their coins. So this is a special deal that they offer. And I believe as part of this deal, they put you into a coin club where they will send you coins every month. And you have to send them back or else pay for them. And most of the time, paying for them would be a pretty high price. But I also believe you can cancel the coin club anytime. But that's all up to you to verify. I'm not responsible for what happens. I'm just trying to show you a good deal. But your mileage may vary. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a Littleton Coin advisor. I'm just trying to help you find a good deal. So I actually came across this when I was going through one of my Coin World magazines, an older one I had. And this was from quite a while ago, so I wasn't sure if it would work. But it does, at least it worked for me. And I thought maybe you'd be interested in seeing if it worked for you. And again, understand what you're getting yourself into. Make sure you read the fine print. But if you're willing to do it, you can get an American Silver Eagle for a great deal. So let's see how you go about this. Alright, when you log on to littletoncoin.com, there's a link up here that says respond to an ad. And if you click on that, under department number, put in 5XK602. So they have these department numbers in all their ads that they send out. They send out various ads and magazines and flyers and different things. So this is the number that they use to link to an ad. And if you click go, you see what it comes up with. There you go. You can get a 2020 American Silver Eagle for $19.96. Pretty cool, huh? And then they throw in a free National Park quarter. Of course, that's just a clad quarter, but you know, you might get a cool one. That's really not worth anything more than a quarter, but certainly an American Silver Eagle for under $20 is a great deal. Last I checked, they're still up there pretty high. In fact, right now, Bullion has them for $38. So you're getting them almost for half price. So again, this is a one-time deal, and it is a way to get you to get into their coin club and get you to buy more things from them. And who knows, you might even have to put up with a few emails from them. There was a spot to put a phone number in. It wasn't required though. I did not put it in there, so they shouldn't be calling me. But I'm sure they'll probably send me some emails, and fair enough, right? They're giving you a good coin for a good price, and so they're going to send me some things, and who knows, maybe one of the things they'll send me I'll be interested in, right? You never know. So there you see it. A 2020 American Silver Eagle and a National Park quarter. If you click add to cart, puts it in there, and of course suggests some other things you might want to buy. But if you proceed to check out, then you can check out. At least I did. It worked for me. I haven't heard that it hasn't worked. They haven't sent me an email canceling my order or anything, so I think it's going to work, right? So anyway, I thought I'd take a moment to show you a really good deal. Looks like you can get American Silver Eagle for almost half off. And I thought you may be interested in doing that. Alright, have any thoughts, concerns? Put your comments below. But I just want to warn you one more time. I do not work for Littleton Coin. I do not back up anything they do. And I certainly am not responsible for any part of the coin club that you get into that you may end up with coins that you didn't want. Just pay attention, know what you're doing. But I think as long as you know what you're doing and follow along with their program. Littleton Coin Company's been in business a long time. We can see up there since 1945. So they've been around a long time. I bet you can find things that people don't like about them, but I'm sure being around since 1945, you can find things that people do like about them too. Alright, well that's it for now. I hope this helped you. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.